Use the migration wizard to set up your help desk data migration in minutes. Let's find out how the automated migration service imports records from Zendesk to Freshdesk. Step 1. Sign into the migration wizard using your preferred method, an SSO method or business email. Let's try to sign up with an email address. Type your full name and provide your work email. Then open your email. There you'll receive a letter to confirm your work email. Hit the Confirm Email button. Then fill in a new password and a confirm password. Click the Confirm button and you're good to go. Step 2. Start demo migration for a trial run before committing to the full migration. Step 3. Connect your source platform, which in our case is Zendesk. Enter your company's URL and log in with your credentials. The Migration Wizard offers helpful tips on how to gather and generate the required access credentials for each source platform. If your desired software is not among our supported platforms, you can request a custom source. If you have connected the wrong platform, you can revoke access and connect the required one. Step 4. Connect Freshdesk as your target platform by entering your URL and API token. Migration Wizard provides handy tips for setting up an API token, or you can refer to our detailed guide for step-by-step instructions. Remember, for certain platforms, configuring both the source and target connections may be necessary. This includes selecting the required service desk, workspace, issue type, mailbox, etc. Step 5. Select what data you want to migrate. Depending on your source platform capabilities, you can migrate help desk and knowledge base data. You can import specific records or migrate all data in one go. Just remember, if you choose to import tickets or articles, all related data will be seamlessly migrated as well. Take a look at the left sidebar. There you can edit data mapping. But once you've mapped data objects, you can't change your source and target platforms. Don't forget to review the important migration notes too. They contain the necessary pre-migration steps you must follow before setting up either a demo migration or a full migration. Step 6. Map your data relations. For Zendesk to Freshdesk migration, you can configure agent and group matching, map contact and company fields, handle ticket field mapping, and article mapping. However, for other platforms, some of these features might not be available. Let's see how each feature works. Group matching. Ensure tickets are assigned correctly by matching source groups with their counterparts in the target system. Keep in mind that you need to create the corresponding groups in your target platform in advance. You can't match groups if you don't have any in your target platform. Reassigning tickets. Easily reassign tickets from deleted, inactive, or unassigned groups to a selected default group on Freshdesk. This way, you won't have any unassigned tickets in your target platform. Create missing groups. If you haven't created a corresponding group in your target platform, you can effortlessly add any missing groups on Freshdesk without leaving the migration wizard. Note that you can select one group or all at once. Agent matching. Match source users to their counterparts on the target platform. Like with groups, you can't match user profiles if you haven't created them in your target platform beforehand. Set a default agent. This way, you assign all tickets from deleted, inactive, or unassigned users to a specific agent in your target platform. Create any missing users. If your target platform doesn't have a certain agent, you can also add them during the matching process. You have the option to create either one agent or all of them at once in your target platform. If you have identical user profiles on both platforms, they'll automatically match up. Organization field mapping. Map custom field. Before you start, set them up in your target platform. This is crucial because you can't match source custom fields if your target platform doesn't have them. System fields are automatically mapped and you can't change their mapping. contact field mapping. Map source fields to designated target fields prepared before the demo migration. Just like with organization fields, you can't map source fields if you don't have the corresponding ones in the target platform. Plus, system fields are automatically mapped and you can't change their mapping too. Ticket mapping. To ensure accurate and complete data migration from Zendesk to Freshdesk, map both default and custom fields to their corresponding target. System fields are mapped automatically and you can't change their mapping as well. Ticket custom fields. Map source custom fields to the corresponding target fields. Make sure to set them up in your new platform beforehand. You can also create custom fields during mapping. For instance, your target platform lacks a custom decimal field. At the top of the mapping window, choose a required field from the drop-down menu. Then click Add the same field on Freshdesk, and it appears in your target platform. While mapping ticket fields, take note of the required /mandatory fields, as they must be filled to ensure smooth migration. Additionally, you can use the Skip This Field feature if Freshdesk has a field that Zendesk lacks. Hit Save to apply your settings when everything looks just right. Last but certainly not least, knowledge base article mapping. This step ensures that your articles maintain their correct status, whether they're in draft or published mode, once the migration is complete. Step 7. Personalize your import with custom options. Help Desk Migration offers a range of out-of-box customizations of data import to fit your unique business requirements, including adding a new tag to migrated tickets for organizing the migrated tickets in the target platform. Migrating inline images as ticket attachments for keeping them in your target too. Skip attachments if needed. The migration wizard imports them by default. Migrating call recordings as attachments for further reference. Demo with custom data for tickets and articles. Handpick records by ID and check how they will migrate. Migrating Zendesk ticket side conversations as private notes, ensuring all context remains within the ticket. Migrating content translations, but remember to configure the necessary languages in the target platform beforehand. Keep in mind that these automated options are for Zendesk to Freshdesk migration. If you're using other platforms, the available pre-built options may vary. Step 8. Get started with a free demo migration. Try the migration wizard by importing 20 tickets and 20 articles from Zendesk to Freshdesk. Review the results within minutes and preview how your data will look in its new home. Access a detailed migration report that outlines the status of migrated, skipped, and failed records. For support during your demo migration, grant our support team access. Need your team to check the migration results? You can share access to your free demo with your team members by adding their email and inviting them to check it out. If you have several demo migrations, label them for easy tracking. You can also check migration details for additional information and to archive your data migration. To ensure a successful migration, check the reports on migrated, failed, and skipped records. Verify the accuracy of source and target record ID. Copy each group ID and verify that matched groups have migrated correctly by navigating to the Group section in your target platform. Keep in mind that some platforms include the record ID in their URL while others can have it above the ticket action board or in a separate column. Consider this peculiarity while checking the migration results. Let's review the user migration. Follow the same procedure. Copy user ID for both the source and target platforms. Then visit the Agents section to ensure that all the matched users have imported correctly. Moving on to companies, be sure to copy the ID of each company from both the source and target platforms. Then go to the Companies section and compare if the source company migrated correctly to the target platform. Confirm that all custom fields have migrated correctly. Continuing, let's review the migrated contacts. It's a similar process to what we did with companies. Copy the ID from both the source and target platforms. Then go to the Contacts section and open the needed contact in each platform. Verify if the name, email, and custom fields have migrated accurately. Let's verify the ticket migration. Open the report for migrated tickets and select any pair of source and target ID. Your task is to confirm if the ticket name, description, tags, and custom fields have imported correctly. If you choose any of the automated options, also confirm that side conversations are now private notes, call recordings have become attachments, the necessary tags were added, and inline images have turned into ticket attachments. You can verify the accuracy of all mapped custom fields. To do this, compare the custom field lists on both the source and target platforms thoroughly. Apply the same process to check ticket organization and contact fields. Now, let's move on to knowledge base records. Start by reviewing the report for categories. As previously, copy category ID from both the source and target platforms. Then go to the Folder section and open the specific category in both the source and target platform. This will confirm the accurate migration of the category along with its corresponding folder and articles. The next step is to verify folders. Follow the same process. Copy ID, open them in your source and target platforms, and compare them. Lastly, let's review how articles have migrated. Just like with ticket verification, ensure the accuracy of your articles. Open the report, copy each article ID from both the source and target platforms, and compare them. Confirm if the article title, description, corresponding folder, and category have migrated correctly. If you encounter any issues during the demo migration, our support team is ready to assist. Choose from our 3 support packages: Standard, Premium, or Signature. For instance, if you want to change data mapping right after data migration, you can remigrate data within 5 days with the Premium plan. The Signature plan offers interval migration for pausing your migration during workdays. Plus, you can set up a Delta migration to move any new or updated records if you use the source platform during the full data migration. Moreover, you can use Rollback Demo to remove some records from a target platform migrated during a demo migration. In this case, it's tickets and articles. Other imported records won't get removed to prevent data misalignment. After your content with the demo migration results, proceed with payment and start your full data migration confidently.